Creating a subject comp map within Esri's Business Analyst. Within the Map section, a user has the ability to add data to the map and import a file. Here, I'm going to browse for a file that I have on my desktop, which is the Florida subject comp map. I'm going to import the point locations because I know that my Excel file has name, address, city, state, and zip code as column headers. Here you can see the existing points of the locations on the map. I'm going to make the iconography just a little bit larger so we can see it. Now, at this point, all of the points are showing up the same way. But if I go into Location Single Symbol and adjust this to unique symbols, we'll find that the subject property is denoted in blue, while the comp properties are in red. I can also go in and change my icons by importing a custom symbol or using one of the icons that's already available. I can change the size, the shape, and the transparency as well here. If I wanted to capture this image for part of a presentation, I could go over to the right side of the screen and click on the Create PDF or Image, which is going to provide me the ability to give a custom title, as well as include the legend in the bottom right-hand corner.